I come from a Filipino family, so we do karaoke
Like
for
it.
celebrations.
Nice.
Yes. So before I left the house, my mom asked me to like sing a song for karaoke. Then I'm like, okay, I guess, yeah, sure. But I have no idea what to sing because I think my go-to karaoke song, I'm trying to find a replacement, guys.
I know. Okay,
What?
sorry for interrupting, but I know what's the replacement. You should just
Okay.
upload your always stay the same -1 to your YouTube unlisted. Then you can sing it karaoke.
Oh, I like
Yeah.
that. Oh, okay. Always Stay the Same is a original song that I wrote. It's not out yet, but eventually it will be. Okay, but anyway, still like wanting to produce it a bit more. But yeah, so my go-to song is Hopelessly Devoted to You for karaoke. This has been like my go-to song for maybe like a few years or something. Or maybe like a year plus. And it's because like, oh, I can hit the notes well. Like I would train myself in the shower because I love singing in the shower, like that kind of thing. And I love belting. Like I love that. So I'm trying to find a Christian replacement. Yes, I could do that because I also belt in my song. But yeah, when I was singing that song today, before I left the house, during karaoke, everyone was cheering me because it was like, oh, she hit the notes. Oh, it's so good. Ah. Yeah, and then they're like, oh, she's really good, guys. And like internally, I was just like, but I don't believe these words. Because it's saying like, oh, even though you hurt me, even though my tears, like I'm crying, blah, 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 I cannot help but love you.
Yeah.
And
It's a toxic
yeah,
relationship right
toxic
there.
relationship. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. To you meaning the partner, not hopelessly devoted to God. And then I was like, I don't know about this, guys, but thanks for the applause, but I don't feel right in my soul as I'm saying it. And I think like this is what happens when you are convicted with secular music. You pay more attention to the lyrics. Yeah, you pay more attention like whether you actually agree with the message of the song. And now that we are so aware of it, right? We cannot like start ignoring that. Like it's not being intellectually honest with ourselves. We have to like acknowledge it. It's like for example, you are met with so much evidence for God, right? You cannot just deny it. You cannot just like ignore it because there's way too much evidence supporting that conclusion that God is real, God is Jesus, Jesus is God. But then how do you just choose to ignore that? It's like it's basically impossible. So it's the same for secular music for me where it's like I know I disagree with this song. I cannot just ignore that fact. I have to cut it off like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you felt this cognitive dissonance because you're singing words that you don't believe in.
Yeah.
That
Even though I love singing
yeah.
the notes.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's right.
Yeah.
And actually, this reminds me of why it was particularly easy for me to cut off as well. Because throughout my life, the Holy Spirit has been nagging at me. Like, whenever I hear these songs, like in my parents' car, it's not me who chooses the songs to be playing, right? But, like, example, there's this song by REM, I think. It's called Losing My Religion. Yeah, it's
Oh,
very
yeah, yeah.
famous. It sounds fantastic, the melody. I love the instrumental parts also. But then every time it gets to that line, I'm just like, huh? What? Yeah, what is it promoting? Right? What is it? It's promoting for people to throw away their faith.
Yeah.
What? Yeah, exactly. So all these will always prick me slightly. So when you said it, your standard raised me to a higher level of holiness. And yeah, see, that's why you make good Christian friends. Like we were dating at that time. Actually, no, we were not dating yet. We were not official.
Yes, we weren't.
But we had this consensus that, even if we don't become a couple, right, we still want to keep you in our life
Yes.
because you're a good Christian friend and an influence.
Thanks. Back at
Yeah.
you.
See, this is why you make good Christian friends like that.
Yes.
Yeah, they elevate you.
Yay.
So you have an opinion about Christians singing things that they don't believe in.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
So basically, I had this realization recently that is like, we should be more like atheists in one single way. You know how atheists will not sing worship music, will not listen to worship music. And it all comes down to what they believe in because they don't believe in what the worship music is saying. So they don't sing the song, they don't listen to the song. So why are we not applying that same logic to secular music? because we already know logically, oh, this jealousy thing, this being envious of someone else thing, I know it's wrong, but I still want to sing it. Like, I know it's bad for me. Like, this is a bad life lesson, but I still want to sing it. Being vengeful over someone. There's songs about killing someone else. There's Kill Bill that I remember from a few years ago, where it's literally like about killing her boyfriend
What?
or ex-boyfriend because cheating.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, it literally goes like, I just killed my ex.
What?
No, 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 no. Okay, I forgot the lyrics already because I haven't listened. But yeah, like we know that this literally promoting murder. I know it's like an artistic choice, but it's like still setting your mind on something that isn't good for you. So we should take after people who don't believe in God in this way, not their beliefs, but how they conduct themselves, where they are literally so strict with what they consume. Because if they don't believe in it, they won't let it into their lives. This is what they do with worship music. So why are we not doing the same thing with secular music if we already know that this is not good for us?
Yeah, yeah, correct. There's a proverb, life and death are in the power of the tongue. Whoever loves it shall eat of its fruit. So if life and death are in the power of the tongue, why are you singing about jealousy, bitterness, anger? You will eat of those fruit, and that's what you experienced in the past, how it affects your mindset. Yeah.
Yes. And we have to remember, okay, especially with songs written about other people, right? Even though we are not the artist, someone is in our mind. The artist is talking about their ex, right? I just killed my ex. You are thinking about someone too. There's someone in your life you're thinking about. It might not be your ex, it might just be someone you hate. And you're basically in your mind, in your heart, dedicating that song to them. Isn't that vengefulness? That is like, it's bitterness. It's literally bitterness. We shouldn't be practicing that. That is the opposite of what Jesus calls us to do.
Yeah, and I think Christians need to stop deluding themselves and giving this excuse of, oh, it's just the artistic choice. It's just artistic freedom, creative freedom. It's just it's just a metaphor. Yeah. Oh, it's not that deep. It's just a melody, you know? Yeah, they need to stop giving these excuses because, okay, firstly, we shouldn't be promoting it because there are Christians who don't know that it's an artistic choice and they don't know it's a metaphor and they will take it at face value and get negatively influenced. Okay, so you are stumbling other people. And there's a verse, I think it's 1 Corinthians 8:9, something like that, of don't let your freedom stumble other people. Then, even if you know that it's a metaphor, how are you sure you're going to be immune to that influence?
We are not immune to influence.
Yeah,
Yeah.
even though you know it's a metaphor. Even though you know, oh, this is just like for the sake of the music, I don't actually believe in it. You're not immune. You were chanting that over yourself. And if you set your mind on the flesh, it leads to death. Life and death are in the power of the tongue. You will eat of that fruit if you keep speaking it.